Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a multiplication trick which is applicable for all the numbers in which one of the number is composed of only nines. That means one of the number, it could be 9, it could be 99, 999 and so on. Also, we have to make sure that the number of digits in both the number we are multiplying is same. So let us understand this. Let us understand how we can solve these kind of multiplication questions very easily. So over here I'm actually going to explain this with help of an example. I'm going to take 3 examples actually. So the first example is 9 times 8. The second example that I have is 99 times 76. So 99 times 76. And the third example that I have is 999 times 145. Now over here if you see, one of the number that I have used in all the 3 cases is composed of 9. So in the first case it is 9. In the second case it is 99. In the third case it is 999. Now over here if you see, in the first case I am multiplying 2 single digit numbers. In the second case I am multiplying 2 2-digit numbers, and over here we are multiplying 2 3-digit numbers. So we have to make sure that the number of digits we are using in both the numbers is same. Now let us start. So over here, the first step, in the very first step I have to take this 8. I have to subtract 1 from this 8 and I'm getting 7. Now I have to raise this 9 by 1, so I'll get a 10, and 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. Now let us take the second example. Again I'm going to subtract 1 from 76. So 76 minus 1, that is 75. I'm going to raise this 99 by 1. So I'm going to get 100. 100 minus 76, that is equal to 24. And finally for our last multiplication, so I'm going to subtract 1 from this 145. I'm going to get 144. Now after that I'll raise this 999 by 1, making it 1000. Now 1000 minus 145, that is equal to 855. Now let us talk about the product. So 9 times 8, that we have to write, so we have to write both these numbers one after another. So 9 times 8, I'm going to get the answer 72. For the product 99 times 76, I'm going to get the answer 7524. And for the last product, that is 999 times 145, I have to write 144,855. So yes, this is how we can very quickly we can get the product of the numbers of 2 numbers with same digits, wherein one of the number is composed only of 9s. So yes, that was it. Thank you.